How to prevent 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘 diarrhea in dairy farm. What is 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘 diarrhea? 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘 is the common term for newborn calf diarrhea and is the leading cause of death in dairy calves. Calves experiencing diarrhea often develop dehydration and metabolic acidosis, as well as electrolyte and energy imbalances. In addition, this condition often contributes to poor growth and increased labor and costs. Signs of 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘 diarrhea: watery stool, loss of appetite, weak suckling reflex, dehydration, sunken eyes, abnormal breathing, difficulty standing. Causes of 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘. 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘 diarrhea is commonly caused by exposure to pathogens including bacteria such as E. coli or Salmonella, viruses such as rotavirus or coronavirus, protozoan parasites such as Cryptosporidia or Coccidia. Stress can also play a significant role in allowing these organisms to affect calves. Therefore, it is imperative to manage your herd properly in order to minimize risk. For example, try to keep calving areas as clean as possible to reduce pathogen exposure. If possible, isolate sick calves and their dams from others in order to prevent the spread of pathogens. 𝗣𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘 diarrhea prevention. Provide sanitary calving facilities. Feed colostrum. House calves individually. Sanitize feeding equipment. Control vectors that can spread disease. We understand that scours can have a significant impact on your bottom line, and we're here to help, whether that means providing on-farm support and educational tools or products designed to help stop scours in its tracks.